Okay, so me and Cody and Wilson, we going on patrol. This is me. My friend Norma. She says, "Why you carry that big knife?" I said, "Well, there's big bears up here in North Mountains, North Carolina. Look. This is bear country." So, one of my favorite things is, our favorite things to do, we go on patrol, don't we, Coyote? Cody's blind. One of these days I'm going to set up a webpage for him. Yeah, Cody's the international blind dog. And that's Wilson, the international house ripper aparter. We live up here in the mountains, North Carolina. And we're waiting for our little princess to come and fall in love with us. There's the old mountain man with 2 dogs. And I'm the property manager for this place. My landlord lets me stay here just to pay the electric bill and the storage bill, so unit bill. So I think it was this unit right here. It was wide open. It was wide open well long before I got here. It was like 16 or 17 units open when I got here. I guess this lawyer figured if he left his unit open long enough, we'd probably just throw away his stuff. Like, for example, this unit right here. That's the way his unit was. Exactly the way that lawyer's unit was when I moved in here. He's trying to say that he kept $22,000 worth of silver in a unit. It was like this. Wilson, get down here. You don't belong up there. Come on. Beast. Wilson! That dog will run off if you don't watch him. Wilson! Where'd he go? And he's very fast. Wilson! Wilson! Come on, boy! Like, look at this unit here. There was about 20 units like that when I got here. That's why my landlord brought me here. Say, come on! You ain't supposed to be up there. Bad dog. You ain't supposed to be going up there now. Look how fast he is. So he's out of earshot in just 1 second. Anyway, I love you all. This is a part of our day. We're just having a little fun.